Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be converting the pod style window switch harness to accept the plug connection for a straight 4-gang switch. In this case, I'll be using my new 3D print designed plug ends and crimping new rear facing connectors on the freshly cut wire ends. I'm using this spare harness as the template to show the location of each wire in the new plug end, making sure I leave as much length on the wires as possible. I won't be needing the pod style plug connectors, so I'll be cutting the wire flush with where they enter. Next, it'll be important to plan ahead for the cutting and connector crimping on the wire ends. I want to make sure I don't cut any length short and allow for the longest loom possible. The terminal ends are crimped on both the exposed copper wire strands and the jacketed part of the wire. In the case of those wires or connectors that would be exposed exiting the plug, a length of heat shrink tubing is applied. As you can see here, the terminal connectors are firmly seated in the new plug end, and the switch pins make for a very tight fit. Once all closed up, you'll find the plugs look OEM, as they were patterned from a takeoff. Please message me here or look in the description for other contact methods if you're in need of any parts shown in this video. Thanks! Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos.